Hello YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete all viruses from Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer in just a few minutes. This will be really helpful tutorial to remove any virus from computer without using any antivirus software. With this method you can boost your Windows 10 speed very fast. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe channel. Okay, let's start. Follow these steps. Open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Open dialog box field, type clean mgr and hit enter. And then select the drive you want to clean up. Select your operating system drive and then click on OK. Then you will see this window. Here system calculated how much space you will be able to free on Windows. Then select all. If you don't have any important files in recycle bin or download folder, then click on OK. And again click on delete files. It will remove junk files, cache files, unnecessary files from your computer. That's all. Next, step number 2. Again open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Open dialog box field, type inetcpl.cpl and hit enter to open Internet Properties. From the General tab, select Delete Browsing History on Exit and then click on Delete. It will open the new window Delete Browsing History with basic options. Then choose what to clear under Delete Browsing History. Now here I am choosing all options without password option, because this will delete all temporary internet files, history, cookies, download history and active filtering data. So choose what you want to delete and click on delete. Whatever you have saved in the browser, that will be removed. That's all. Okay. Next, step number 3. Again open the Run dialog box. Right click on the Start menu. From the menu click on Run. In the Run dialog box field, type temp and hit enter to open it. In the folder, select all files by pressing Ctrl plus A key and then delete all files by pressing Shift plus Delete key and click on Continue. It will be permanently deleted unwanted files. If some of the files are not able to delete it, you may leave those files because maybe it will be related running program files. Okay, that's it. Next, step number 4. Again open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run dialog box field, type %temp% and hit enter to open it. In the folder, select all files by pressing Ctrl plus A key and then delete all files by pressing Shift plus Delete key and click on Continue. It will be permanently deleted unnecessary files. Okay. If some of the files are not able to delete it, you may leave those files because maybe it will be related running program files. Okay, that's it. Next, step number 5. Again open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box field, type tree and hit enter. It will automatically delete all junk files within few seconds with command prompt. Okay, that's it. Next, step number 6. Again open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box field, type wsreset.exe. It means Windows Store Reset.exe and hit enter. Then a blank command prompt window will open. It will clean cache files and reset your Windows Store automatically. It will take few seconds or a minute. Once complete the process, command prompt window will close and the store will open automatically. That's it. Step number 7. Again open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run dialog box field, type prefetch and hit enter to open the Explorer. In the folder, select all files by pressing Ctrl plus A key, and then delete all cache files by pressing Shift plus Delete key. It will be permanently deleted all cache files. If some of the files are not able to delete it, you may leave those files because maybe it will be related running programs files. That's it. Okay. Next, step number 8, click on the search box from the taskbar. Then type CMD in the search box. In the search results, you will see command prompt. Then right click on the command prompt and then select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt field, type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. It will take 10 or 15 minutes. It will scan all protected system files and replace corrupted files with a cached copy that is located in a compressed folder at Windows. That's all. Okay. Next, step number 9, remove existing virus from PC by using virus and threat protection. Sometimes you may also manually run this feature to scan and remove virus from Windows computer. Okay. Open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. Then select Update and Security. Then select Windows Security. And then open Windows Security by double click. Then you can see the Windows Defender window. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Next, you can see the options: Quick Scan, Scan option, Allowed threats and Protection history. Then click on Scan options. Then you can see the options. You can run a quick scan, full scan, custom scan, or Microsoft Defender offline scan. Then choose what you want and then click on Scan Now. Wait for a while. It will take a few minutes. Once complete the scan, you can restart your computer and the device is now cleaned of virus malware. Thanks for watching and supporting. I hope this video helped for you. So please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you next video. Bye. Take care.